Okay, so here we have a collection of quizzes, right, that contain, I believe, five quizzes, A through E, and two of the quizzes have several questions. So, quiz A has one question, and quiz B has two questions. So let's go back to the definition of the structure of quizzes. If I remember, quizzes, the way we declared it, only had titles, right? So it could not support the questions listed here. So let's head over to the definition of the quizzes and see if we can change the structure. So if we go back to our Node.js, if we go back to the declaration of the definitions of those structures, right? We'll go to models, quizzes, schema. Notice that our schema was a simple schema, right? It only had the title. So it cannot support this brand new field question. So we need to add it in there. So we can say comma, and we can say questions. And so what is questions? Question is an array. So we'll declare as an array. And now we have to say an array of what? Well, according to this, right, it's an array of strings. So let's do that. Let's do a string here, string. Okay. So if we restart the server and we go fetch these quizzes from the API and we refresh, notice that indeed now quiz A is retrieving the questions, right, with the string that represents that question, right? And quiz B has these two questions, again, represented with strings, right? So there we have it, right? We can change the structure and map it to the data that is represented down below.